Welcome, traders. So the Tick Mill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to update the dollar index view and also take a look at the Swissy and the euro, all testing some interesting levels here. So, with the dollar index, we made an initial move on the weekly time frame here up to the weekly trend line and found some supply there last week and pulled back. However, we did manage to defend the 103.40, 103.30 area that we talked about in the last update. Since then, we extended to the upside and we are now correcting that advance here on the 4-hour time frame, looking for a three-wave move that holds 103.80 to 103.90. So from there, watching for bullish reversal patterns to engage on the long side, targeting the equality objective versus the broader corrective swing structure, which is turning into a potential double correction here, a WXY pattern, which has an equality objective at 105.80s. Now, if we fail to find support at 103.80s, any loss of 103.30s will be a bearish development, suggesting the potential for the current corrective phase in the dollar index to be complete. And then we'll be looking for a move down to retest 102.50s. Below there, we have the high volume node for the 4-hour profile and monthly projected range support 102.20s. Moving to the euro dollar and similarly testing key resistance here in the euro dollar. Again, matching or mapping the dollar index in terms of the potential for a double corrective move here. So what I'm looking for is on this 4-hour profile for 108.20s, which is the equality objective versus this swing structure, and daily projected range resistance coming in there, 108.16s. As that area acts as resistance, watch for bearish reversal patterns to engage on the short side, looking for a move back down through this corrective trend channel, 107.60s. The next target on the downside is going to be monthly projected range support at 106.50s. We also have weekly S2 coming in there at 106.50s and the midpoint of the current corrective channel. And then from there, we'll reassess as to whether or not at that point we're testing the 105.80s in terms of the dollar index. And if we are, and we get some confluence there in terms of bullish reversal patterns in the euro and bearish reversal patterns in the dollar index, then we'll be looking at the resumption of the more dominant trends. Lastly, we're going to wrap up here looking at the Swissy today. Let's just pull that one up. And the Swissy has similar setup to the dollar index, cleaner price action, though, in terms of the structure and the setup. So what I'm looking for with the Swissy here is, whilst we have this current swing pattern in play here, we are looking for a test of the 87.39 area. Watch for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side for a move back through 88.38s, and then on to weekly projected range resistance and the equality objective versus the broader swing structure here. So the 85.50s gives us an 89.47 equality objective on the upside, which coincides with the weekly projected trend channel resistance as well. So from there, watch for bearish reversal patterns to engage on the short side. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.